how I make my dressing. I talk about it a lot, there are many, but here we are. Hi guys, again. We're going to do the dressing. There are so many dressings for salads, and I think the salad is made by the dressing. I can eat a lot of salad if I've got really good dressing. So I have been working hard to get really good ones. There are many. I can't remember if this one I got somewhere else or did I tweak it. It doesn't matter. As long as you try it and see how it tastes, I'll be delighted knowing that you really like it, okay? So this is the one. I'm going to put, I like big quantities, okay? I pour quite a lot. This is just for me and my husband, okay? But it's half a cup of water, okay? I've got 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. What I like about flax seeds, they make things, they're number one, they're good for you, but they make it thicker. Everything makes it, just thicken it up. Incredibly good for you. I'll do another video about that, okay? Right, now this is my paste, fig paste. I just do handful of dates and I soak them for a little while, for a couple hours, and then blend them with a little bit of water, and that's it. Voila, it's simple, okay? So normally because I've got a sweet tooth, always have, so I'm going to do 4 quite a big, generous teaspoons. 3, okay, 4. I think that's quite a lot actually. Bit exaggeration, but I do like it, as you can tell. Sweetness. Okay, now tahini. Again, organic tahini. So I put 2 tablespoons of tahini. I use a lot of tahini. Gives you good fat as well. And it's going quite fast. But something like that is good for you. Good oils, totally nature. Okay, here we are. I'm going to put that away. A bit of salt. Okay, not too much. I have, let me just clean my hands, okay? Now, I do like my turmeric because again, it's good for you. Probably half a teaspoon or teaspoon be all right. I do quite generously again. Okay, little bit, and I mean a little bit of garlic granules. Just, what would you say, 1/4 of a teaspoon, just a little bit, just gives that little kick. And the last thing is organic apple cider vinegar. Shake it before, because all the goodness is down there. And I do about 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3. Again, it's extremely good for you. We should drink it every day, not directly with water. That's another video. God, I can go forever. Okay, so listen guys, let me just mix it all. What did I do with this? The top. And always taste it. So I give it a quite good mix here. It's quite watery. Again, pop in the fridge. It becomes quite nice and thick. I'm missing something. For me, I'm missing a little bit more salt. Okay. Oh, the most important ingredient I forgot. Terrible, aren't I? But listen, we are human beings. It's just because I put it quite far away. Okay. Mustard. Oh my goodness, what would I do without mustard? Okay, it's Dijon mustard. Oh really, any mustard, but try it. Listen, how could I forget? 2 teaspoons of mustard, and that will make the whole difference. You see what I mean? How could I forget the best ingredients, of the most important ingredients? But that's me. Okay, here we are. I think voila, this time. Gosh, what am I like? Okay. The good thing is, I love what I do. And this is just my haven to eat like that and do it for you and share it with you. perfect. I couldn't add, I mean, some people add pepper maybe. I wouldn't. A little bit of salt, pink salt is fine. Number one is super creamy. It's got really nice texture. It does go thick. This is mine from yesterday. It's quite thick. Can you see it? It's a lot thicker. It just thickens up in the fridge. Now, this one, on salads, on zucchini, on, well, I'll be doing lots of more videos. So many things you can add, and it just makes your salad absolutely super delicious. I hope you enjoy it, guys. If you can subscribe to YouTube and follow me, that'd be great. Speak to you soon.